Hey everyone, new 12 tomatoes recipe here. Today we're going to make a delicious maple bacon upside down cake. You have to try this out, it's so good. First cook 6 slices of bacon until they get crispy, then set aside. Drain the bacon fat, but save about 1 teaspoon. Add 1.5 cups of roughly chopped pecans and let them cook a little in the bacon fat. Add ½ cup maple syrup, 2/3 cup brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Cook until sugar has dissolved. Pour 3/4 cup melted butter into a 9x13 baking dish, then pour the pecan mixture over the butter. Now for the cake batter. Add 1 box yellow cake mix, 3 eggs, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, ½ cup milk, 1 cup sour cream. Mix it all together, add 1 teaspoon almond extract, and mix some more. Pour batter over the pecans and butter and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. While the cake bakes, smash your bacon into bacon bits. Make sure the cake is baked all the way through, then allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Run a knife along the edges to loosen the cake. Find a surface big enough to cover the whole baking dish and flip. Allow the baking dish to drain on top of the cake for 1 minute before removing. Top it off with bacon bits and serve warm. This cake will change your life.
12 tomatoes.